Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon on the bottom right, and on this interface again you can see the three lined icons at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lined icons at the top right, and over here guys we'll be on the settings and activity of Instagram, where we can see the notifications option available for us just above the time spent. Tap on the notifications, and over here you will find the quiet mode option available for us. Tap on the quiet mode, and you can see the toggle mode turned on for the quiet mode at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that toggle icon and you can see the turn off quiet mode at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the turn off quiet mode, and there guys, your quiet mode has been turned off. And this is how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icons for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.